Here we got a 2016 Bennington 2375 GCW. Still in great shape after all these years. Equipped with a Yamaha 115. Boat is in really nice shape. The rails look great still. Nice porch back here. And the rear loungers. Kicker radio so you can rock out. Garmin depth finder for you. 12-person capacity. We are working on this. We're gonna have, that's at the shop getting replaced, so that'll be fixed. A little tear in it, but everything else looks really good on this boat. Nice rear loungers. Bimini's in good shape. And then under here, we have an ottoman under there you can pull out, put wherever you like. I put it right at this one right here. Dual batteries with a switch. And then there's a changing room under this one here. Speaker controls back here. Come check it out.